Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to connect the water line. You need to connect the water line to operate the automatic ice maker and water dispenser. So let's go over how to connect the water line to your refrigerator. First, you need to connect a standard water line tube to your water supply. You will most likely need to install a connector or an adapter to your water supply. The water line installation is not covered by the refrigerator warranty. Check out our video on how to change the water filter if you need further assistance. The water supply setup may vary depending on your home. So if you need to modify the water supply, we strongly recommend you contact a qualified plumber. After installing the water line to the water supply, turn the water on. Flush out the tubing until the water is clear. Turn the water supply back off. Now let's move on to connecting the refrigerator. Before connecting the water line, be sure to unplug the power to the refrigerator. First, make sure you are using a standard water line tube. You may have a different size or type of water line. In this case, you will need to use an adapter or connector. Next, remove the flexible plastic cap from the water valve. Place the compression nut and ferrule that came with the refrigerator on the water line. Insert the end of the water line into the refrigerator connection as far as possible. Tighten the compression nut until it feels secure. Turn the water supply on. Check for leakage and tighten any loose connection appearing to leak. And now you are all set up to enjoy refreshing water and ice. Also check out our how to use the ice and water dispenser video to get the most out of your refrigerator. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.